If your Mac is running slow, overheating, freezing, or if the fan suddenly gets really loud, there's one built-in tool that can instantly tell you what's happening behind the scenes. And that tool is Activity Monitor. In this video, I'll show you how to use Activity Monitor properly, what each section means, and how to quickly find what's slowing down your Mac. Let's get started. Think of Activity Monitor as your Mac's health dashboard. It shows you everything that's running in the background and how much power it's using. To open it, press Command plus space to open Spotlight Search, type Activity Monitor, and press Enter. Right away you'll see a long list of processes. It might look technical at first, but don't worry. Once you understand the layout, it's actually very simple. At the top, you'll see 5 main tabs: CPU, Memory, Energy, Disk, and Network. Each one gives you different information about your system's performance. Let's break them down. First, the CPU tab. This shows which apps are using your processor. If your Mac feels slow, laggy, or unresponsive, this is the first place you should check. Click on the %CPU column to sort it from highest to lowest. The apps using the most processing power will move to the top. If you notice one app constantly using a very high percentage, that's likely the reason your Mac is struggling. Next, click on the Memory tab. This shows how much RAM your apps are using. But the most important thing here isn't just the numbers. It's the memory pressure graph at the bottom. If the graph is green, your Mac is running smoothly. If it turns yellow or red, your system is under memory pressure, which can cause slowdowns. This usually happens when too many apps or browser tabs are open at the same time. Now let's look at the Energy tab. This is especially helpful if you're using a MacBook and your battery is draining quickly. It shows which apps are consuming the most energy. If something is using a lot of power in the background, you can close it and immediately improve battery life. Then you have the Disk tab. This shows which apps are reading or writing data to your storage. If your Mac feels busy or you hear constant disk activity, this tab can help you see what's causing it. Finally, there's the Network tab. This shows which apps are using your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi feels slow, check here. You might find an app uploading or downloading data in the background. Now, what if an app completely freezes? Simply select the app from the list, click the small X button at the top, and choose Force Quit. Just be careful not to close system processes unless you're sure about what they do. So overall, Activity Monitor is your go-to troubleshooting tool. Whenever something feels off, slow performance, overheating, loud fans, battery drain, or network issues, this should be the first place you check, and that's it. Now you know how to use Activity Monitor like a pro and take control of your Mac's performance. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.